So we can open our motherboard CPU socket, and grab our CPU, drop it down into the socket. And the interesting bit is, how much is this video going to cost me? If I break any hardware, it's going to be expensive, but it's also might be quite a few car washes. Okay, so CPU is in. A little bit of thermal paste for our CPU cooler. So let's get our power supply in. Okay, so power supply is in, and then we just need to pass cables through. So let's see what we've got here. That's our EPS cable, 24-pin cable, and then we've got our PCIe cable. So EPS cable's in. Okay, that's in. Okay, panel back on. There we go. Okay, so that's the PC built. 2 car washes, which I was quite impressed with. I did think it was going to take me a third one to get that done, so really pleased to manage to get it done in 2. I have made a few other PC building challenge videos, so I have built a PC blindfolded, I've built one in a boat, and I've also built one underwater. So if you haven't seen any of those videos, I'll put links to them in the description. I had great fun making this today. If you've enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not currently subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching.